In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional logo with Wix Logo Maker. We'll walk through the entire process from opening the tool to downloading polished files you can use everywhere, and I'll share helpful tips along the way so your logo looks sharp, clear, and on brand. Start by visiting the Wix website and finding the Logo Maker. Click Get Started under Logo Maker, then log in or create a new account. You can design for free and only pay if you decide to download the high-resolution files, so feel free to explore without pressure. Next, enter your brand details. Add your business name, and if you have one, a short tagline. Keep the tagline concise to maintain readability. Choose your industry, like marketing, beauty, or finance. Close is good enough if your exact niche isn't listed, since this just guides the suggestions. Then describe your brand personality by selecting options such as modern, playful, elegant, or bold. These choices help the AI shape ideas that match your vibe. So think about how you want customers to feel when they see your logo. You'll then see sample logos. Pick the designs you like. The system learns your taste from these selections. Be consistent with the mood you're aiming for, and when you're satisfied with your picks, click Next to move on. Now comes the fun part, customizing your logo. You can adjust the font style, color palette, layout, and icons or symbols. Aim for a clean, simple arrangement that's easy to recognize at a glance. Choose fonts that reflect your personality but stay readable. Test uppercase and lowercase to see what feels balanced. For colors, select 2 to 3 that contrast well and work on both light and dark backgrounds. Check spacing and alignment so the icon and text feel intentional, not cramped. To make it look professional, limit yourself to 2 or 3 colors. Too many can make branding look messy and inconsistent. Stick to readable fonts and avoid overly decorative styles that get fuzzy at small sizes. Ensure your design scales well, zoom out to see if it holds up as a tiny profile picture, then imagine it on a business card and a website header. If your icon is intricate, consider simplifying shapes to preserve clarity. When you're ready, click Download. You can choose a free, lower resolution version for testing or upgrade to a paid package for high quality outputs. The paid option includes PNG files with transparent backgrounds, SVG files that scale crisply for print and large displays, and ready to use social media assets. Save your final files somewhere safe and keep your brand colors handy for future consistency. That's it. Your professional logo is ready to use.